Hello everyone! So you want to know how you can play territorial.io offline, and so on your desktop and not only on your phone. So you are on the computer, you want to play territorial.io, but there is no internet connection. Now, right now I do have internet connection, and this is necessary as a first step in order to download territorial.io. You have to remember that territorial.io is actually just a web page, and by saving the web page you can actually play territorial.io offline. Now I don't remember what are the buttons to click, whatever. You can press Ctrl S to save, and you can save this as a web page. I already saved it, so I don't have to do it again. I can close this. It's here, as you can see. I can double click and it's gonna be open. I can play it offline. As you can see, it's not a web page right now. And here you go. For example, I can go offline, disconnect. I don't have internet right now. I can click here and I'm gonna be able to play territorial.io completely offline. Of course, I will not be able to play multiplayer because you need internet connection for that, but you can play in single player. Let's choose a map. Let's go pond, and I can start. As you can see, it's pretty nice, it's pretty good, and yeah, this is how you actually play territorial.io on your computer desktop by downloading it. So this is how you download territorial.io, and I hope this video was useful. Leave a comment, subscribe, and see you next time.